anyone is in the middle of a PEX installation project or you plan on doing it in the future, I have a quick tip for you on how to save some money. So if you consider 90-degree fittings like this Viega or push fit, you'll be paying around $2.50 to $3 per fitting. Plus you have to buy a Viega press tool, which costs hundreds of dollars if you want to make this connection. So the crimp ring system is considered the cheapest or most cost-effective out there, but you still need to purchase the rings and a few crimp tools, which could cost another couple $100s. So a more cost-effective alternative is to use these support bends to run your tubing. You can get these bends for around 50 cents a piece, which make it a much more cost-effective solution for installing. And they work very simply. All you have to do is basically just snap it in, and that's it. It's very easy. So a big positive, I think, of these is that they don't restrict your water flow. So it's a nice smooth bend. Because if you consider this Viega, it's a sharp turn. And you might think this is a negligible thing, but if you put these all throughout your system, then you're slowly reducing your flow one at a time. So I'm not saying to avoid using Viega or crimp connections, because those work great. But if you're looking to save a little bit of money, then try using these support elbows because they also work great, and I think they're underused. If you use these in the past, let me know what your experience is in the comments section, and maybe if you'd recommend these to other plumbers.